the world is changing. For decades, the US dollar has been the dominant currency. It's the primary currency for trade and finance. But this is slowly shifting. Countries are looking for alternatives to the dollar. This trend is called de-dollarization. De-dollarization means reducing reliance on the US dollar. It means using other currencies for international transactions. This can involve trading in local currencies. It can also mean using new reserve currencies. This shift has major implications. It affects global trade, investment, and geopolitics. Understanding de-dollarization is crucial for navigating the future global economy. Several factors are driving de-dollarization. One major factor is geopolitical. The US has used its control over the dollar. It has imposed sanctions on countries like Russia and Iran. This has pushed countries to find alternatives. They want to avoid being vulnerable to US pressure. Economic factors also play a role. The US has a large trade deficit. It has accumulated a lot of debt. This has raised concerns about the long-term stability of the dollar. Countries are looking for more stable currencies. The BRICS nations are leading the charge for de-dollarization. BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These are major emerging economies. They are looking to challenge the dominance of the West. BRICS nations are promoting the use of their own currencies. They are creating alternative payment systems. For example, they established the New Development Bank. It's an alternative to the World Bank and IMF. These institutions are seen as dominated by the US. A multipolar world, new economic powers. The rise of BRICS and de-dollarization points to a larger trend. The world is becoming multipolar. Economic power is shifting. Emerging economies are playing a bigger role. China's economy is growing rapidly. It's challenging the US as the world's largest economy. The Chinese yuan is becoming more widely used. This is a sign of China's growing economic clout. Other emerging economies are also gaining influence. India is becoming a major player in technology and services. Brazil is a leading agricultural producer. This shift in economic power is driving the demand for a more multipolar financial system. Challenges and opportunities. Navigating the shift. De-dollarization presents both challenges and opportunities. For businesses, it creates uncertainty. Fluctuating exchange rates can impact profits. Companies need to adapt to a more complex financial landscape. However, de-dollarization also creates opportunities. Emerging markets offer growth potential. Businesses can tap into new markets and consumers. They can diversify their assets and reduce risks. The shift away from the dollar is a gradual process. The dollar will likely remain a major currency for the foreseeable future, but its dominance is being challenged. Understanding the forces driving de-dollarization is crucial for navigating the evolving global economy.